don't know if you can see this. I've actually been seeing other people post videos about birds acting very strange around cell phone towers. But this bird, I think it's a vulture. What is it? They're like crows, only a lot bigger. But look at what it's doing. It's just sitting there with its wings open on top. I wish I could get a better angle of it. Oh, it's moving a little bit. I don't know how good this camera is. It's super bright out behind me, so I can hardly see if it's working very well, but yeah, it's been doing that for quite some time. Turkey vulture. Yeah, I think that's what they're called. Anyway, the frequency or something that's making it just sit there with its wings open. It's very strange. Hope everyone's having a blessed day.